This is an LED adjustable spotlight. Now on this spotlight is 15 through 55 degrees. It comes in the colors of black and I have the white. Now this unit is a adjustable spotlight that hangs up on a ceiling, a wall, wherever you want to put it, even the floor. It comes with the supplied materials, and let me show you what they look like. You get the quick snap kits, ground, load, and neutral. The bracket that's inside that you simply unscrew these two bolts, and you have to have just a little bit of basic electrical skills to hook this up. And we're going to do that for you. As you can see, you can adjust the angle any way you want. And on the back of the unit it has an adjustable levels of light. On the front of the unit, you can see there's degree letters and you could adjust the angle, counterclockwise and clockwise. We're going to go hang this up, show you what it looks like. If you have an existing wall area that you don't need this plate, you can do that as well. And what we're going to do is put this on a wall. We're going to just slide it over where our AC is at. We're going to lock down a couple of screws. We want to make sure that these are dead center. With these quick snaps, you lift up, but you want to lift up where you feel the force opens it up 100%. You may adjust these accordingly to your outlet area. If you have a ground, put your ground on. Since I don't have any grounds here, I'm going to now lock this down. We have our spotlight hooked up. I have mine hooked to a switch, a remote switch, and we could turn ours on. Now we can adjust the spotlight level and shine it to wherever we need it to be. So what I'm going to do is shut the above light off and show you the floor or the wall. This is a manual adjustment. We're making it wide, as you can see. And we're making it narrow, as you can see. This unit is not workable on dimmer switches. Just to show you, 25% will not dim down. It's either on or off. Spotlight can be for anything. Hey, look, I'm part of the show. If you need to dress up a wall, show a painting, show anything, a statue, a hallway, a staircase, wherever you need to have lighting, this product may be just right for you. It needs to have a switch in order for it to work and is angled in any possible ways. I hope you enjoy your spotlight if this is right for you.